All right, so Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I'm sure a bunch of you cats are getting ready to take your partner out on a really romantic, classy night in the town. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you get them some chocolate, some flowers, and you take them out to a nice dinner. You pick up a bottle of wine, you head home, and you do what adults do. You know what I'm saying? But what if I told you, instead of picking up a bottle of wine, you show them how much you really love them by making them a classy but sassy vintage cocktail. That's right, folks. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 delicious vintage cocktails that are not only classy, but they're also sassy. But before I do that, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're going to boogie down. All right, so our first classy but sassy cocktail is the Honeymoon cocktail, which was created by Esslin for his 1916 book, Recipes for Mixed Drinks. All right, what is in the sauce? You're gonna need 2 ounces of apple brandy, a half an ounce of dry Curacao, a half an ounce of Benedictine, a half an ounce of lemon juice. You're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds, strain into a chilled cocktail glass, and there it is, folks, our Honeymoon cocktail. All right, our next drink is the Between the Sheets cocktail created by Harry MacElhone at his Harry's New York bar in Paris in the 1920s. All right, what is in the sauce? You need 3/4 an ounce of Cognac, 3/4 an ounce of white rum, 3/4 an ounce of Cointreau, a half an ounce of lemon juice. You're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds, strain into a chilled cocktail glass, garnish with a lemon peel, and there you have it, folks, our Between the Sheets cocktail. All right, our last cocktail is the Hanky Panky, created by Ada Coleman in the early 1900s at the American bar at the Savoy in London, England. All right, so in the sauce, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces of dry gin, 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth, 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca. You're gonna stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds, strain into a chilled cocktail glass, garnish with a lemon peel, and there you have it, folks, our last classy but sassy cocktail, the Hanky Panky. All right, folks, let's give our classy but sassy cocktails a sippy sip. Now, I've had these all before. These are classic cocktails, but I'm more than happy to try them again, all right, folks? So now we're gonna do them in an order of romance, okay? We're gonna start with the honeymoon, all right? And then we're gonna go off in between the sheets, and then we're gonna end it with some hanky panky, all right, folks? I hope everybody watching is of age, you know what I'm saying? All right, folks, let's go ahead and start with the honeymoon, which is, I already know my favorite of these because I love apple brandy. Let's give it a sippy sip. Cheers. Yeah, that's delicious, guys. I love apple brandy, and I love how it comes into this cocktail. It is beautiful. It is bright. The Benedictine just adds a nice touch of spice there too. It is just a really delicious cocktail. I'm a big fan of this cocktail, right? Now we're gonna go ahead and try the In Between the Sheets cocktail, right, folks? Cheers. Yeah, another really yummy cocktail, bright, vibrant. The Cognac adds enough complexity to it. The white rum really brings out some more vibrance and stuff. Great cocktail, little tart, little citrus, delicious cocktail. Another easy drink, all right? Now let's end it with some hanky panky. And I can tell you that this one here, it has a kick. it has some force. So cheers, folks. Oh yeah, this is a Manhattan with a little bit of that Fernet bite. I mean, it's a gin Manhattan. It's not a whiskey Manhattan, but it's got that same formula. But the Fernet adds a little bite to it. Then you get those botanicals from the gin. That sweet vermouth just really, to me, kind of really rounds it all out. A much more drinker's drink. This is the one I'd probably end the night with, you know, ironically enough. This was gonna put you out. All right, folks, so 3 delicious cocktails. Again, you know, classy but sassy, perfect for Valentine's Day, and perfect for the cocktail enthusiast lover in your life, right, folks? So look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.